kids, today we choose to draw Pokemon.
What's your favorite Pokemon?
Jigglypuff.
Tell me about them.
Jigglypuff has a power of hypnotize. You're asleep when he draw your face. He draw like this, a flower or a mustache, every color he wants, but his favorite color is pink. If you like this video, you can give us a like and a subscribe. Hello kids, today we're going to learn how to draw Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff, it's a rare Pokemon, and it's pink. His power it is to hypnotize you and drawing your face.
Let's go. We can draw body are of circle. You like me? Very good, baby. Stop. Now the hair. Ooh, it's a beautiful hair. Good. And here are the ears. Inside you make black.
And the other ear is like this.
Yes, it's more small. And here you put inside black.
Yes.
Good. Good. Now we can make the eyes. The big eyes to hypnotize. A big hypnotizing you.
I'm hypnotizing you.
You make here the lightly of eyes. And now a little mouth.
Mommy forgot this.
Oh, yes.
Here.
And here in left you can make the hand, and the right is there. Very nice. And here the feet, and here. Today we can draw Pokemon.
Pokemon. Now we're going to color through kids. You can start with pink and then the eyes.
Now we can sing together.
Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff. This pink is so cute. It's the perfect one.
I can use the color to make the shadow. blue. Come on. Make with me. Blue.
Okay.
That sound. Oh no. I need to use that color. You need for a beautiful eyes, you can use a dark blue, but not every part of eyes, just upside.
We're almost done. This is a really good lesson.
If you like, you can give us a like and subscribe. Bye bye!
Bye bye.